Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're all well. So today's card is this adorable little card. It has no purpose, it just says you are the best. Perfect to give to a friend. It's an extended notelet size, which I've cut myself out of Whisper White just so I could get it top folding. You can buy the card in this side with matching envelopes, which is side opening. I quite like top opening cards, as I'm sure you're aware. So it is using the Artisan textures, this large stamp here, as well as a big thank you, which we are getting the You Are the Best and the little heart from. So shall we crack on? So as I said, we're starting with a base of Whisper White. It measures 22.8 by 6.4 centimetres, folded at 11.4, like so. So I do have a mat here of Whisper White. It is 4mm shorter all the way, well 2mm shorter all the way around. So it's 6 by 11. And we're going to bring in the big stamp here, which I haven't put a back onto yet, so please excuse my tardiness. And we're going to stamp that in Gorgeous Grape. So just stamp, 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 like so, and just stamp it up. And there you have it. So while it looks quite dark now, as you can see, it does dry lighter. Not sure if you can see that on camera, but this one does look darker. And what we're going to do while we're here is we're going to stamp down our sentiment in Memento ink, which I have here. So let's just ink that up. And as you can see, mine's placed towards the top. And down. Please don't expect this to be straight. I did quite well. I'm happy. So with that, I am just going to snip a little bit off the bottom, as it is slightly too long. And I'm just going to cut up in the middle and flag off the end, like such. I think I've got some black ink on my thumb, so I'm trying not to get that on there. So now that's done, that's ready to go down. I'm just going to pop some dimensionals on the back. And I am going to use 3 in a strip, and that's because I'm going to bring in the white twine, and I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers 3 times and give it a cut. I need some new paper snips, and I'm just going to spray that out a little bit, so then we have a varied circles, like so. So how I'm going to stick that down is with the dimensionals. Just saves me being fiddly and having glue where I don't necessarily want it. Put that down like so. There you have it. So now I'm going to bring in a little bit of scrap card and Mellow Mumbo ink, and I'm just going to stamp a little heart in that pink. How adorable is that? So delicate. I'm just going to quickly pop that out. And I'm going to use half a mini dimensional just to sit on the back, like so. And I'm going to place that between the U and the, or R and the even. And I'm just going to use my snail, which is here, run that along the bottom and the top. That's going to go to the base, like so. So as you can see, super quick, super easy, and you can use all sorts of colours. So if you wanted to send it to a mail, you could quite easily use Pacific Points or Granny Apple Green from the same collection. Feel free to mix it up as you like. If you do try this card, please send me a photo. I'd love to see it. And while you're here, why not give the video a thumbs up? That's from another project. So yeah, give a video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Why not ring the bell or press the bell to be notified whenever I post a video such as this. And in the description bar below is a list of all the products and links on where to purchase them. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Bye.